The Easy Hammer is manufactured from steel components and finished in a high quality silver zinc plating, protecting it from corrosion. It is made up of a main frame, a base frame, the handle assembly and the hammer clamp assembly. The hammer clamp assembly is made up of 4 clamp blocks that currently suit Hitachi, Hilti, Makita and Milwaukee hammers. The blocks provide the gripping force around the hammer and are the first line of defence against hammer vibration getting to the operator. The second line of defence are the main handle shock absorber and the rubber handles. They reduce the vibration that travels to the operator's hands. The angle is adjustable to 6 positions using the lever on the handle. The adjustment is fully mechanical. A large stainless steel pin locks the unit into position. This spring is used to assist the operator when adjusting the hammer angles. It cushions the downward movement and assists the upward movement. Once the hammer is assembled into the unit, the product is ready to use. Simply tilt the trolley back, place the tool into the hammer and lift the trolley back up again. The different angles allow the user to get the hammer into different positions, according to their height, the hammer tool they are using, and the material they are removing. This increases comfort and efficiency when using the Easy Hammer. The large footplate assists the operator to apply more forward pressure on the machine to improve the speed of demolition. The Easy Hammer has been designed to make operating a hammer safer and more efficient. Most of the weight is carried by the trolley, so the operator can work safer, for longer, and suffer less fatigue.